Hi, it's Ginny. Today I want to share with you just a few things about Zoom that I noticed a couple people struggling with, and I wanted to help them out. So, when you're in a Zoom meeting and your presenter asks you to share your screen, this is how you do it. Let me show you. And, oh, that's my phone. You don't want that screen. I'll bring my Zoom meeting over here. There we are. Okay, so I can't use, my recording software's video at the same time as I'm using the Zoom video, but let's pretend I'm in a meeting. And mine is recording to the cloud. You see up here. You can't see it, can you? Because my scene selection is too small here. Let me bring it in a bit. There we go. That's better, hey? But anyway, you can see up here where my mouse is circling around that I'm recording to the cloud. So on my next video, I'm going to show you where to find those recordings. But for now, here we are. We're in this meeting. We're pretending. I'm meeting with me. See me? I'm in both spots here. But let's say I want to share my screen. So I hit the green arrow at the bottom where it says share screen, right? What happens is it's going to show you all of these options, and this is confusing, right? Because let me move me out of the way so you can see all of it. Whoops, I didn't mean to move my screen. I wanted to move me. Click. There we go. So I'll move me over here. We've got all these things. Like I can, for some reason, I can share my task manager. Oh, because I have it open. So it's showing you all the stuff I have open here. That's what it's doing. Plus, you also have, if you had an iPhone or an iPad plugged in, you could do that. You can show a whiteboard and draw on it, which is really cool. I have two screens on my computer, so I could share my screen with my recording software on screen 1, or I could share, which I'm sharing right now, my screen 2 with my Zoom meeting on it. If I wanted to just share not the screen, but maybe just the program, like let's say I use OBS to record, I could just show you that screen and it wouldn't have my taskbar and all that stuff. If I wanted to show you anything else, like I have my Explorer open because I was, managing my videos over here. This was the software I used to open my Pixel phone. So then it shows you too. I could share my Pixel on the screen. I don't even know what this is. This is something that Lenovo has running on the computer automatically. My task manager. I could open my Teams if I wanted to share just that, and my remote, because these are all things that are open at the bottom of my screen that I could share with you. So that sounds overwhelming, right? And confusing to somebody who's not adjusted to, doing all this. So basically what you're going to want to do is share whatever it is you want to show to the presenter or to the people in the meeting. In my case, I was sharing screen 2, which was my Zoom. So I would click that, and I would click the blue share at the bottom of the screen, the bottom of the white square right here, share. And it will share that screen. My phone happens to be on that screen, so, that's what I would be sharing because I'm in Zoom, right? So that's, if I want to stop share, at the top of the screen, there's a red stop button, stop share. I'd hit stop share. So now we're back to our Zoom meeting. I hope that makes sense. That is how you share whatever it is that you want to share in a meeting on Zoom. You will find it similar in other software packages. I've shared my screen in Microsoft Teams. I can't even remember the name of the other software that I was using. WebEx, I think, and then there was some kind of call center software, I don't know, that somebody else uses. Same thing. I find the share screen button and I pick what I want to share. So it's very similar in most of those programs. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, drop them. Subscribe and follow me. And you know what? Get on my list so I can help you out when you're ready or when you need me, because I do offer time slots. Every once in a while, when I have time, I will individually help you with your home business tech setups and stuff and answer your questions. So sometimes we do more than that. Sometimes we do a little bit of strategizing or whatever it is that you need that I can help with. And if I can't help you, I will tell you. And absolutely, I'm an honest person. So make it a great day. Do those things, and I'll see you next time. I'm going to show you where your recordings are.